You can expect a lot from the 2008 Honda Civic. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Honda are offered, including front and rear cup holders, an outside temperature display, and more. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.